three products here that I'm going to be analyzing with WAMP to determine if they are to sell on Walmart or not to resell on Walmart. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and I love talking all things Walmart. And if you have trouble sourcing, I have a Discord where we go live every Wednesday at 7 Eastern where we do sourcing for either online arbitrage or retail arbitrage. So if you want to join, go ahead and check out the link below. So let's dive into these three products. All right, first up is this cute little alley cat from Fugler. This is a very popular brand. I've sold this brand lots of times and it typically does very well. So I found this on Amazon for $5.99 during a sale. So for $5.99, it is currently being sold for $17.99, giving me a $5 profit. However, let's just scroll down and see all of the other things that WAMP has to offer. So it looks like there are other sellers on the listing, which is perfect. That means I can sell this and I can send this into WFS because there are other WFS sellers on the listing. It is a little bit of a red flag that there are so many WFS sellers on this listing. However, I've sold this before and it does typically pretty well. So it may be a little bit of a wait, but it still is worth it. So I would price this between maybe $19.75 and $19.99. So I'm going to price this at $19.97 just to kind of a little bit below this. But let's just go ahead and scroll down and see the price history. It looks like this is really good at price history with other ratings and reviews, very positive reviews. And it looks like it has all of these extra badges. These badges are perfect. This is how you can tell a product will sell. This is currently in 25 people's carts. This is a bestseller, and this has been bought since yesterday. So having all these badges really shows you this will sell and it will sell quickly. So let's just scroll back up and change the price to $19.97, which that actually gives us a $7.39 profit with 123% ROI. This is perfect and I would definitely buy this and sell this on Walmart. And next up is Sonic the Hedgehog. This is not a gated brand or category. So I went and found this on Amazon for $14.99. And it is currently selling for $27.99 here at Walmart. And so if I just scroll down, it looks like there are other sellers on the listing. It looks like it's at $26.99 and then $27 and then so on and so forth. So this looks really good because there's a WFS seller and seller fulfilled and a Walmart stock on it, which is even better. And it looks like the price is pretty healthy. It goes up and down. And same with the reviews and the offers. It's really good to see that it goes up and down. And it looks like this buy box analysis is also really good because it has a variety of other sellers there. And that's great. This is also a bestseller and it's been in people's carts. So this product will definitely sell. And especially with Q4 right around the corner, it will sell even better during Q4. So this one would give us a profit of $5.24 with a 34% ROI, which is an amazing thing. And it gives us some wiggle room to do a max cost and to have our break even cost. So this one I would definitely resell on Walmart. And this last one is a Squishmallow. Now this is a gated brand. However, it's really easy to get ungated with Squishmallows. And if you want that guide, check it down in the description below and I will send it your way. So I found this Squishmallow at my local Walmart for $6 and is currently selling for $17.99. But let's just scroll down and see what the other analytics has to offer. And it looks like there's only one WFS item, and that is good to know because I could send this in through WFS. However, I've never had any issues with Squishmallows sent to WFS, so that's good. And it looks like this is a pretty healthy price. It is currently down than it normally is, but we can definitely kind of make it up to where we want to, which is around that $19.99 mark. But it looks like there are been sellers that have come in and out on this listing, which is really good. However, there are no badges for this one, which is fine. I would definitely test this and see how it goes, but Squishmallows tend to do really well, especially since this is a little blue monster and has one review, so it could be a newer listing. So if we bought this for $6, that gives us a profit of $5.64 with a 94% ROI. So I would definitely test this out and buy 3 to 5 and see how it goes. I hope with those three products, you are confident enough to analyze products with WAMP. And if you want to check out WAMP for yourself, go ahead and check out the link in the description and I will send you a 14-day free trial. It is the best software out there right now and I absolutely love it. It is so easy to analyze and especially because it's so similar to Seller Amp, the one product we all know and love, and WAMP is just the same. I hope you like those 3 products and you're confident enough to use WAMP to analyze good deals when it comes to reselling on Walmart or what to pass on. If you're unsure how to sell things, go ahead and check out my website at flippingwithamanda.com, where you can check out my bypass blueprint. Plus, you can check out my Discord, where we go live every Wednesday at 7 Eastern to source for knowing what we can buy and sell on Walmart. Be sure to comment down below if you have any questions with WAMP or how to sell on Walmart, and I will see you in the next one.